Turkey's Bayraktar Akinci unmanned combat aerial vehicle is one of the most popular combat drones, and it went viral in May 2024 after it participated in a search and rescue mission for then Iran President Ebrahim Raisi after his helicopter disappeared off the radar. The Turkish drone is said to have detected the heat source that led to the wreckage of Raisi's helicopter. According to the Eurasian Times, Akinci is a high-altitude, long-endurance drone that can be armed with weapons. The Turkish combat drone has a length of 12.3 meters and a width of 4.1 meters with a wingspan of 20 meters, according to the details available on defense manufacturer Bayraktar's website. Akinci can stay airborne for over 25 hours with an operational range of 6,000 kilometers. This makes Akinci more favorable for long-range operations. Its maximum speed is 240 knots true airspeed. The Akinci drone is equipped with a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles and can carry a payload of 1,500 kilos, according to its manufacturer Baykar. The combat drone can be equipped with mini-smart munition MAML and MAMC, which are lightweight, semi-active, laser-guided munitions made by Turkish manufacturer Roketsan. It can also carry Turkey-made Sirat laser-guided missile. It also equipped to carry El-UMTAS, Turkey's long-range anti-tank missile system. In addition, it is capable of carrying guided bombs and air-to-air missiles. Akinci is equipped with dual artificial intelligence avionics, which supports signal processing, sensor fusion, and situational awareness in real time, as per Bayraktar's website. It has ASA radar, which is a sophisticated computer-controlled multi-directional scanner system that can radiate multiple radio waves at different frequencies at the same time. It has a synthetic aperture radar that is used to create two-dimensional images or three-dimensional reconstruction of objects such as landscapes. It is also supported by electronic warfare, signals intelligence, and satellite communication systems. The Turkish drone, in what is being hailed as an historic milestone, successfully test-fired a supersonic missile in December 2024, opening up new dimensions in modern warfare.